M. Fuego. We'd like to say thank you as well and acknowledge our MH and of course our Philippine National Police. Thank you so much for securing the safety of our audience of the municipality. Tournaments that we had for 3 consecutive days. And at this point in time, we will now be giving out the awards of the winners of the different tournaments. We have the basketball, volleyball, men and women, and of course, the interagency celebration. Why it's part of the LGBT community, we have been inviting and for organizing such an activity.